Hello, Chef here with another quick review. You've seen these knives all over the internet. These are the cheap ones here. Got to be careful with these. These are the Japanese knockoffs. Yeah, it's a Damascus looking blade. It's not truly Damascus. It is sharp. It's good quality, but you know, there's a few things to be desired. Anyway, I'm going to do a quick sharpening, and I want to show you how to sharpen it without scratching your fancy pattern. So what you want to do is you want to score the clip, and you want to put the clip on very carefully on the back of the knife like this. Once the clip is on, you can go left or right and you can sharpen this thing easily. Japanese Waterstone, finer is better. Get the fine ones. Yeah, and if it gets scratched, this one's scratched. Not a big deal. The good ones that come from Japan come with a cleaning block. Real simple. Put a little bit of water on there, like this. Cleaning block. Yeah, it's clean and it's flat again. I'm all done with that. Okay, that goes back in the box. Yep. All right, so what you want to do is put a little bit of water down, and the stone should be a little bit wet, like this. And you want to very carefully do strokes on both sides using the guide clip, just like this. It gives you the right angle. And repeat with the other side. Okay, that was very, very minimal sharpening. I wipe it off. I just wanted to show you how to sharpen the knife without scratching the blade. There's no scratches on this whatsoever. And really, really nice. Yeah, and I'm also going to grab a piece of paper and show you just how sharp it is. Okay, you're only going to achieve that sharpness if you have a few things. A good quality sharp knife, number one. It's Damascus. The guide clip, number two. Japanese Waterstone, number three. Score all of these at your sponsor right there. I'll put some links in there. Smash the like button down below. Subscribe right here. Butcher Block, the best made in America. Sponsors having a sale with free shipping. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Have a great day. Chef here. I wanted to talk to you today just real quickly about knife selection as well as knife maintenance. By the way, this set's about 10 years old. Looks brand new. These knives function perfectly. Well maintained, well sharpened. I take care of them. Subscribe on this channel and learn a lot more about knives and knife sets. And with that, get cooking. Have a great day. Oh, a side note, Chef's Butcher Block is a built-in unit. This is about 30 by 25, 4 inches thick, end grain rock maple. And get cooking again. It's awesome. If you need any of these, check out your sponsor. They've got every size and shape, custom, everything imaginable in Butcher Block. Not just these big ones, but smaller cutting boards as well. Quite often, we're using these boards throughout food service, catering, parties. This one here is edge grain. It's also been cut on for about 10 years. And these come in a whole bunch of different sizes. Really, really nice. Get the good stuff the first time. These are made in America. You get a 1-year warranty. It's the best you can buy. Get the good stuff the first time. Forget all the garbage, the cheap stuff the mass merchants are trying to push on you. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good.